Hi! Good day. This is Jiraya Gabitan from Grade 6 Love with my English teacher, Ma'am Felisa Nevado. I am going to tell you a fact about the amazing Arctic tern. It was believed that Arctic terns flew about 35,200 kilometers on their journey from the Arctic region to Antarctica and back. Recent studies, however, revealed that the birds actually fly much farther. Tern migrations follows an indirect path, as shown in the illustration. Tiny instruments called geolocators were attached to a number of birds. About the weight of a paperclip, this amazing device revealed that some terns flew an average of 90,000 kilometers on the round trip, the longest annual migration known. One bird flew nearly 96,000 kilometers. No matter where they began their migration, the Arctic terns flew an indirect route, as shown in the illustration. A common Atlantic Ocean route took an S shape. The reason? The birds simply take advantage of prevailing wind systems. During their lifetime of about 30 years, terns may travel well over 2.4 million kilometers. That is equal to 3 or 4 round trips to the moon. This is a mind-boggling achievement for a bird of just over 100 grams, said a researcher. What is more, because Arctic terns experience the summers at both poles, they see more daylight each year than any other creature, states the book Life on Earth in Natural History. That is all, and thank you.